So yeah, Canada one, Bafana. Zero, the energy levels, I don't wanna lie, they are so low. But overall, I just wanna say we are proud of the boys. Yeah, they did all their best. If I'm being honest, they did all their best to start it in a wrong foot and will always remain proud for the next upcoming 4 years. This is this year when you World Cup. The level of South African football overall, I just wanna say, like it has grown, and I hope the boys got any exposed. They got exposed. Yeah, but I'm so like emotional. I don't wanna lie. I'm so emotional. It is a tough pill to swallow, and yeah, man. Congratulations to Canada. Congratulations for them to going to the next rounding. Yeah, congratulations to them for going to the next rounding. It is for the first time in their history, also like by a good round of 16 available. So yeah, we came back with something. The world doubted us, and I hope Uguti like they witnessed available today. Uguti what type of the qualities available we have, and yeah, we have a lot available to learn available. So Timasesi when you World Cup who will be speaking about good to we have very experience available, and I just hope and pray Uguti most of our players available they gonna be exported available, and I hope the world they have witnessed the greatest TLP they have witnessed or really that short time available as Tolile, even though that is not his full potential available. I believe which he could have done like better. So all of the players which they could have done better. I already world as a witness Omutau, the player that's like I wanted more than every other player for years, which we witnessed before Aurelia was even introduced to PSL, even UTLP. I've been watching. I'm a biggest fan of like Umutau, and I hope to everybody else. So what I was actually seeing available, and my point was proven right from the moment when Mamelodi Sundowns were playing Club World Cup. My point was proven right. Uguti sometimes sometimes the thing is that most of our players are vele Europe and these big leagues available, we treat them as if bayanto baya they are superhumans, banama superpower everything, as if like they are 10 times quicker than us or whatsoever. And after Mamelodi Sundowns performed available with Club World Cup, we actually witnessed that, which no, they are not. Yeah, boy. And then in our my Bafana when Hugo Pro started to not being afraid and believe in the boys well, and we play the type of football, let's say it's level must qualify available. The boys they showed Uguti they are not, we're not playing against our robots available, and the rest of African teams. Also, just want to say I'm proud of the rest of our African teams available. Out of 10, 9 qualified, and as Africa, as a continent, we are proud. As a South African personal available, I just want to say what I'm proud also. And yeah, man, it's gonna be an interesting World Cup. Still, I'm still gonna be watching Vele Portugal because I want them to Vele win. But yeah, to South Africa available, we are proud of the boys. And what am I looking forward? I think now we just need to forget and clap hands available. We just need to clap hands and move forward. What am I looking forward to? I'm looking forward to Gucci. We need. And by the way, congratulations before I even speak about the coach. Congratulations, by the way, for Hugo Bros for being like the oldest available coach to qualify available. There were a lot of former records that were actually very broken. So congratulations to him. But looking forward to iphelile contract kamkhulu, and yeah, man. Me personally, I'm expecting available a more the coach available who will understand available the type of football. I'm not saying he didn't understand, who will trust the boys, who will actually believe more available because I felt like being believer more. Speaking, I'm speaking like overall available. I think, yeah, I just want to say farewell to him because I think he will buy, but I think it's really we need somebody available who'll trust more on the boys and as we are about to be more strong available to the next coach available and Hugo Bruce, congratulations, shout out to him for actually doing whatsoever that he did. And yeah, I mean, I'm so emotional overall. I'm just like so emotional. I don't even know what to say. And they witnessed the available, and they witnessed the type of quality football that we play available. Most of our African teams, when I watch like previous World Cup, because the first World Cup that's actually like experienced and watch, it was the one where it was played in Russia available. That was my first World Cup. Ngalibhekelele like kuthi ngibhekelele vele yabo finish it when you were watching Ronaldo playing against into Spain vele yabo 3-3. My coach scored like 3 goals available, so that was the first World Cup. And then I was watching like African teams. Most of the time African teams, they will do this thing which like they play one traditional football, sky football, vele again and again. They don't have that thing which vele to build from the back and stuff vele. And South Africa represented us very well with playing this type of football vele, which is the modern football, which is more dynamic. And in Morocco they are playing that type of football. Senegal, they are playing that type of football, which is a nation available nation which I'm looking the most go your vele my vele Senegal vele, but it is the nation that I'm looking the most good because they are playing that type of football and they are more quick. So they are still African sides available that I'll be actually be saying well. I'm proud. That's I'll be saying available. They're gonna be exciting and stuff. But overall, like I'm just wanna say, it's like I'm proud to the boys, Ron and William. Proud. It is still a young team. Most of them are players available. They're still young. Shout out again. Let's give credit again, but to Ocon. Ocon actually performed at this tournament. About preparing yakhe nombokazi just about give the love to the boy. Yeah, I'm excited to see him on the next World Cup. TLP, I'm excited to see him on the next World Cup, and I hope TLP at this point is going to straight to Premier League, my guy, because the boy showed quality available. But let's not underlook Ocon available, and he also showed available quality football. And we are Sithole. What a tournament from you, my guy. This what a player, what a player, what a player, what a player. Because there was a time where it seems like Kuti Valley, his career really was ending and stuff. But like he actually came back. Like we have a lot of stories well about that we can tell as a nation well about this World Cup and stuff and this current Bafana available. And at this point, I can say it proudly with no fear of contradiction that we are one of the biggest nations available in Africa, and we play better football available. More than our nations are maning. I'll put us like on top 5 if I'm being honest, and I'll argue and put us on top 3 if I'm being honest available. And this is a huge step for like EPSL available. Shout out to Mamelodi Sundowns for representing us, and I hope we're gonna this season. We're gonna be doing better. Each and every team, and take what we learn from like a World Cup available. And yeah, man, this is the start of like revolution for South African football. That is all I just wanna say. This is the start of a revolution for South African football. This will be the time. This is the time I'm expecting to see like our boys playing in big leagues and stuff, because like we've never been rich available when it comes to that history available. Always we had like Pinar and stuff, but like we're overlooked most of the time. This is the time, and I just hope with like a lot of youngsters. Maseko, I'm expecting him. This is the window he's buying or really I'm expecting him vela but they can be even watching him from like Orlando Pirates and stuff. I'm expecting TLP to move. The boy is still young, same age as me. I hope he's like he'll be vying. I'm expecting. Okay, Ocon is already like that side. I'm expecting him ukuthi like kube like a club ukuthi mhlawumbe at least with him next season vele yabo kube khona iClub ezofuna vele kumphezulu, because I think ukuthi like there gonna be a lot of eyes available on him. I'm expecting a lot of player, but those youngsters available that's actually mentioned available, expecting them to be the first ones, and the other one, and the world is gonna be watching available PSA. That is something gonna be watching South African football more than everything else. Shout out to those Mexican fans and for supporting us when our neighbors they were, yeah. But all the best to the rest of African teams, even though whatever is actually happening available, but all the best, and all the best mostly to Portugal. And can I say it again? I'm proud of the boys. Abafana. On this video, I just wanted to make it to Ugutingan, to not to analyze really about that much, but like to just say their weight and express how I feel about this tournament overall for Bafana. But if maybe let me just take 2 minutes available on the match available to analyze the stuff. But even though I'm so emotionally, because it was a match that I was watching with my emotions available, the boys started well, and then second half I expected with me to see like Umoremi, because Apolis wasn't like able to get to a level available my challenges and stuff with that like left back available, with that right back. I mean, most of the time Uban David or Ruban, he was actually winning most of like a ball available. And I noticed to go to like Canada bebantu they plan yabo available bebayile bantu bebayile ba pinpoint available, main mark available, ama key players available with the likes of like Mokwena, or wasn't even be able to available at detect the game available the way he's supposed to, because it seems like Biba main marker or ama with players there to available. They were paying Umaseko, they're putting a lot of pressure to him very today, and then one even like really available, which was maybe the reason available substitute. Even though I felt like there was no need available for your substitute Shinlega really. Maybe the main reason to me is maybe they wanted a little bit of a physique available, because at the end of the first half we're starting to get available my long balls and stuff, and we wanted to develop see win a maybe mapola lao party but available attack available, because we're not like giving it threat. Just like a first half, even though a first half available, intensity available of the match was just on a higher level, if I may say so. So yeah, man, that was just it. And then what a goal from like Canada available. They actually deserve it more than us, if I'm being honest. We're having more ball position available, because like babies look very sorry to say move and stuff most of the time available. But when it comes to like offensive wise and kill the game available, Canada showed like they are being more aggressive, and they are being better clinically available more than us. But we're just a better team available when it comes to being comfortable in the ball, reading the game. But we didn't have that killing instinct. And yeah, but fit, just subscribe, like. Thank you.